up the world with no regret. And that's all profit.
Done did it again on the hater, man. I don't think they were ready for this one.
They gave y'all the blueprint, man. Just get up and go get your bag. That's how you gotta do it. All hustle, no love. You gotta work for this one.
So I'm gonna give some commentary over this trade I took this morning. Right now, I'm preparing to enter the trade, waiting for the stock price to dip and to settle at a support area. No, I didn't trade this perfectly. So I got long right at 703. Only about $350 worth, showing that you can trade small or big and still be able to profit decently. So now I'm waiting for these support levels to hold, being the high from that previous day and that red green area, that 650 line. If 650 breaks under, it's trouble. So I'm just seeing if it can hold and pop back up. Now I just identified the bottom of that dip, which was 669, which is playing right into yesterday's support. And now it seems like it ran out of sellers and starting to bounce. At this point, the high day is 738. So boom, we just got a new high day. So key areas, $quarter, $half, and $3/4 areas. So $quarter area is where it's at right now, 725. The 25 is the quarter, 750. The 50 is the half, 775. 75 is the 3/4, and the whole dollar is $8. Even though it's a 8-cent stock or a 7-cent stock, we still play those levels accordingly. So now I'm just waiting for it to put in higher lows. So it made the first morning low, and we're going to play off of that morning low. If it can hold a higher low above that, then we stay in the trade longer. Pretty soon I'm going to be giving my own commentary during this trade. I was just quiet while I was trading. I didn't say anything. But I'm seeing that bottom wick form around that 7-cent, 703 cent area. And I think we found our higher low. Ideally, this breaks out and makes a new higher day, convincingly, through 750. So boom, new higher day. We just had a 745 print. So we're breaking through that higher day. So boom, we're through for sure. Now 750, that $half area, that's the next target to get through. We need to see how the stock is going to react at that level. Look, all the sellers on the level 2. But look how quickly those buyers kind of got through a lot of those sellers. And just like that, boom, 750 is on the bid. And now we're looking at the $0.75 level, which is 775. So right now I'm pretty comfortable in AXXA as long as it keeps trending the way it is. Now prior to
775 test again.
recording this
775
video,
is kind of thick.
damn, I keep interrupting myself.
Sellers out the way.
But prior to doing this video, I identified the support being 6 cents and the resistance being 10 cents. So we're looking at a move between 6 and 10. Realistically, we're looking for a trade between those two levels. And we don't guarantee that it's going to make it all the way to 10. So we got to be conservative on our estimates. I take deep breaths
Alright,
when I trade.
775 on the chopping block. See if it gets through. 778 is the current high of day. There must be some hidden sides going through. Well, 775 is going through. Ain't that happening. There we go. There we go. Get 786 on the bid. Take off. Actually, that's a good trend.
So I was thinking about selling here just because it's a decent trade right now. Right now,
trying to eat.
I'm up like
How
10,
important 785 is.
10, 11%.
Just as important as 775.
And I would be taking a super conservative trade, taking this 8, 10%
I
here.
lost 775. You're going to see a pullback now. But they can't hold 775. $750 is going to act as the first layer of support under 775 because from there is the next level on the chart is 738. But 775 held up. 790s. I still got 796 up. $8 about to pop.
8 cents.
There it is. That freedom ring.
So I try to sell
Now
here.
I got to ask. If it pops up, then we out.
Sell order at 818. Waiting for it to fail.
Pop through, but it's coming back down. There you go. Oh, I got 818. Trying to catch it on the way to 825.
using $250 area as targets. 825.
Let's see if it gets me a pop or if I can just get out. Just enter relative strength. And the 818 pop.
So when I say I need a pop, I want
Taking a break.
the price to jump up to my order level to fill me. When I say I want that 818 pop.
Really thought if it killed $8 or 8 cents like that, it would go. Turns out I was wrong. All right, let's check this support out. 762 support.
How many sellers is at 8 cents? There it is, 8 cents. Back on the chopping block.
Want to fill my order?
Order filled.
So here's where I made my mistake. I only sold 1,000 of my 4,000 shares, but I thought I sold all of it. So now I'm typing an alert for the chat room saying I sold my shares and how you should sell into strength and how that's good practice and how this may keep going.
That's how you plan the trade. Trade a plan. Got in at 0.0. We got out at 0.0818 minus 0.0703 equals that divided by 0.0703. 16%.
16% ROI in 10 minutes. But it's probably more because I realized I didn't sell all my shares in about, like, in 2 minutes. I'm about to realize that. I'm like, oh shit. It's actually quite funny. Like, granted, I wasn't looking at the screen at this point in time. I was looking at my phone or doing something else. So that's why I didn't see my P&L still running. It's getting kind of overextended now. Remember that 9-10 cent area was resistance. So
Oh shit, I'm so fucking 1,000 shares. Look at that bullshit.
oh, that's funny. And put my order in at 6 or 8.59. And I did 8.60 something. And I was just waiting for it to fill. 8.69 was my order. I'm like, damn, I'm not filling. They got 8.70s filling, but I'm not filling.
Order filled.
Now I'm out. So I mean, close to 20 something% on that trade. I put $350 in there. Probably like 18%. But this is what a live trade looks like. It's not all lit and glamour. It's pretty boring. It's pretty freaking boring. So 875 ends up being resistance, that $0.75 level. And you'll see what happens when I put a sell.
What I put? All right, yeah. So hey, I made a mistake, but I caught it. So I thought I sold all my shares right here. I only sold like 1,000 of them. I had 5,000 of them. So when I realized I still had more shares to go, I just went ahead and sold them right in the ass. And look, I think I found the top doing that. Amazing. Great trade. I'm gonna screenshot this one. All right. I'm tired. I'm going back to sleep. Peace.
And that's it. So that's happens when you make trading mistakes, but you catch them, and once you make a mistake trading, you catch it, you just you want to just get out immediately because it messes with your head and it messes with how you're thinking about it. Sometimes you luck up, sometimes you don't. Today I happen to luck up, so.
I go to bed thinking about the cash, then have nightmares about my failures, then wake up and secure the bag. So adamant about the next step.